Hey folks, Vic here with your weekly trade video for Friday, August the 16th, 2024. Starting in September, just a few weeks from now, my Coach's Corner partner Darko will be taking over the short-term trading service. And I'll tell you, if you want to become an expert at short-term trading, whether it's day trading or scalping, whatever it is, you got to hear this video. Again, it's for those who want to short-term trade. And Darko's going to give you a very good lesson in this video on how to set up a short-term trade in exactly the same way that he's done for the longer-term trades, which obviously has been a very proven and profitable approach, like for almost 7 years now. So since Darko will be taking over the short-term trading service, I mean, this is a great opportunity to think about joining the short-term service and start getting up to speed by going through the educational videos that are on the site, before making any trades. Now listen, Darko and I are going to host a webinar on, Tuesday, August the 27th, where we'll detail the changes that are coming up in the short-term service once Darko takes over. There's a link to join the webinar in the text below this video or in the email that you received. So, yeah, really do try to make it to the webinar if you're able to. Okay, so here's Darko to talk about how to set up short-term trades in a very professional and objective manner. Hope you like the video. And if you do, you know what to do, right? Please hit the like button. We'd really appreciate that. Okay, here we go.
This is like explains the complexity of the market, the understanding price, and not trade only the hourly chart or the 4-hour chart. Let's just say that you are scalping. That's all you do. Then the 4-hour support and resistance is all you look for. But then you need to be a super expert about what the weekly chart is doing. Like if the weekly chart is up in here, okay, and you are trading and you are scalping, let's just take off the or let's just go to this layout, because there are no session breaks, okay. And let's just say that you are trading 4-hour support and resistance. Well, in this case, it's more beneficial to trade 4-hour resistance than support. Why? Because price is at weekly resistance. Because the 4-hour is just mirroring what the weekly chart is doing. Fractal. Everything moves in fractal. Super important. So therefore, I don't care like if you are scalping, there are great ways of scalping. Okay? So marking resistance at weekly resistance and marking resistance on a 4-hour time frame is much more better than like marking, hey, I want to be longing this one or longing in here. No, it's much more better to actually trade resistance. And then obviously you go down to which time frame, like the 15-minute, right? I don't even have the 15-minute chart. So I'm marking this level now, and you are trading the 4-hour support and resistance. Let's just say that you want to, I'm just making this up. This is not a pending order or anything. So if I go down to, let's see here, if I even have a 15-minute chart here, okay. So therefore, like a potential shorting opportunity up in here, like what I mean by that is that price is doing something like this. Price is heading down, heading up, doing something like that. Now you have yourself a potential trading opportunity, okay. And like I said, this is not a pending order. I'm just showing you how to analyze your charts if you are scalping, okay. I'm not sure how many scalpers we have in the chat room. If we have many scalpers, like if you could just type in the chat room scalping, like if there are like 50% of you are scalper, then I will like from time to time create a layout for scalping and show you how to scalp like a professional trader. Then the time frame combinations will be different. This time frame combination, monthly, weekly, daily, hourly, was a very successful time frame combination when I was a day trader for like 13-14 years. Okay, then I have never been a scalper, but I can definitely show you the time frame combinations and how to scalp like a professional trader. And that's what the short-term service is all about. Don't get fixated like, hey, geez, why do you show a yearly level or this and that? Try to relax and understand what I'm trying to communicate in here, and let me know if there are many scalpers, and then I will just, for sake of it, we'll do a scalping PMA, okay, just to show you exactly how to combine the time frame combinations, and then the thinking process behind being a professional scalper. And there are no, I would say stick to what I show you and don't combine like too many time frames. You are either, if you want to scalp, then use the scalping time frame combinations. If you are day trading, use the day trading time frame combinations. Some people send me an email and I'm not sure what they are, if they are day trading or they are day trading, but they are showing me a 4 time frame window. A 4-hour chart. That's not based on my concept. So if you show me a 4-hour chart, I assume that you are scalping. Okay, that's it. Feel free to leave some feedback, and I will be more than happy to do any adjustment needed to meet up with your needs. Okay, thanks. Cheers.
So I hope you see the value in understanding the higher time frame picture before making any short-term trading decisions. Big impact, right? And again, this is the kind of stuff that Darko is going to be covering starting in September. So yeah, don't forget to register for our upcoming webinar on August the 27th. And yeah, bring along any questions that you might have. We'd be happy to answer them for you. Thanks so much, everyone. Hope you all have a great weekend and trading week ahead. Take care.